Hello student, good morning. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you are doing very well student. So let's start. In this video we are going to learn about the chapter number 8. This is ratio and the proportion. Okay. Here in this chapter here are the learning objective is the ratio, terms of a ratio in the simplest form, in the lowest form, comparison of a ratio, proportion, okay, proportion, continued proportion, unitary method, rule of a unitary method. Okay, so what is the ratio? So a ratio is a method of comparing two quantities of the same kind of the same unit, okay, by dividing the first quantity by the second quantity, and the sign used for ratio is this use sign. This is the ratio sign. Okay. Okay, so and read to as to the ratio x is to like a fraction form, like a xy or x ratio y. Okay, so this is the ratio. Okay, next is the term of a ratio. So in the ratio x ratio y, and the number x and the y are called the term of a ratio. X is called the first term on the antecedent, and the y is called the second term. This is the consequent. Okay, so some example in the ratio between 5 and 6. So we can write 5 ratio 6 in the first term. 5 is the antecedent, okay, and the second term is the 6 is the consequent. Okay, so do the exercise 8a. Find the ratio of the first question, 40 minutes to 60 seconds. All right, so here the solution, 40 minute to 60 second. So 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. So ratio of 40, ratio 1. Okay. B, 90 centimeter to 5 meter, or the 90 ratio 5 into 100 centimeter. Okay. So 90 ratio 500. So we can cut 0. So the ratio is 9 ratio 50. Okay. C is 1050 gram to 10 kilogram. So 1050 up to 10,000 gram. Okay, so this is cut the number of table of 5. Okay, so the ratio is 21 ratio to 100. Okay, so like this all the ratio. Move on, question number second, 75 ratio 55. So ratio between 75 upon 55 is equals to short the ratio, cut the number 5. Okay, so the 15 upon 11, or the ratio we can write the 15 ratio 1. Okay, second is 3 whole 2 by 5 ratio 4 whole 1 by 7. So first you convert to the fraction is improper fraction. This is 17 upon 5 and the 29 upon 7. Okay, so the ratio is 17 upon 5 multiply 7 by 29. Okay, so we can multiply the numerator and the denominator, and we get the ratio is 119 upon 145. So also we can write the 119 ratio 145. All right, so like this all the questions. Second, move on, question number third, 8 kilometer to 1 kilometer 400 meter. So the 8 multiply 1000, okay, and upon 1400. So we get 80 upon 40 is equals to 40 upon 7. So the ratio is the 40 upon 7. Okay, next, 65 paisa to 5 rupees. So 65 upon 500, 500 paisa, 65 upon 500 paisa. So we can convert to cut the table 5. So we get the ratio is 13 ratio 100. Okay, like this all the solution of question number third. Okay, move on, question number 4, 3 ratio 4 or the 5 ratio 6. So which one is greater, 3 upon 4 or the 5 by 6 or the, so we can cross multiplication. Okay, so 3 into 6 or the 5 and 4 into 5. Okay, so this is 18 and the 20. So a 20 is the greater than. Okay, so the 3 ratio 4 is less than the 4 ratio 5. Okay, like this. Second, 7 ratio 5 or the 9 ratio 4. So 7 upon 5 and the 9 ratio 9 upon 4. So we can multiply the cross multiplication, or the find the LCM of 5 and the 4 is 20. So 7 upon 5 multiply 4 by 5, we get is 28 upon 20, and the 9 by 4 multiply 5 by 4 is equals to 45 upon 20. So 28 upon 20 less than 45 upon 20. So 7 ratio 5 is less than 9 ratio 4. Alright. So there are all the question of the solution here. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright. So complete all these questions. You can also just complete question number till 18. Okay. So complete exercise 8A. You can write down this in your notebook. Also the definition of this ratio and the term of a ratio. You can write down this in your notebook. Alright. So take care and bye bye student.